One of Apple's latest products, here is the Airtag. It's a locator tag to attach to an object that you can track with the Find My app on your iPhone. You can customize them on the Apple site. To use them, first update your smartphone, then pull the Airtag's protective cover to activate it. Bring your iPhone closer to pair it. Choose the object in which you will place it. It will then link to your Apple ID. You can activate or not the information that would allow the person who finds your object to contact you in case of loss. Once configured, go to the Locate application. In the menu, go to Objects. At the bottom in the tabs, your items will be located. Choose the Airtag to locate. You can ring it, or from an iPhone 11 or newer iPhone, you can locate it more precisely. With this option, the closer you get to the object, the more the iPhone will vibrate and show you exactly the direction to find it. Lost mode. If you are too far from your Airtag, and you cannot find it, activate this mode. With the Locate network made up of several million Apple devices, as soon as a person equipped with another device present on the Locate network crosses the path of your objects associated with an Airtag, the Bluetooth connection will pick up and record the location and send the information, securely, anonymously and encrypted, to a server, and of course the person who misses your Airtag will not be informed. After 3 days the objects are not found, the Airtag will start to ring so that a person passing by can find them. He can touch it with an NFC phone, Android or iOS. It will then be directed to a website with information on how to contact its owner. By default the lost mode is not activated. If you lose them they will not send any notification, no data to anyone passing by and not to Apple. For privacy, Airtags cannot track a person without their knowledge, even if it is your child. Apple has thought of everything. If you think you are following another person without their knowledge using your Airtag, that is of course not possible. A function makes it possible to alert iPhone users which would detect the presence of an Airtag. And if the person does not have an iPhone, the Airtag will start to make noise. Thanks for watching this video. Do not hesitate to share the video around you, and to subscribe. It is a very nice help that you bring to our work. Thank you. And see you soon.